So, our coffee is ready. Good morning, John.
Perfect. It's quite early for a good Greek coffee.
It is. We are so happy, though, that you're here, and I think early in the morning is the best really time to come and see this beautiful place called Perdica. It's the village that's very close to our hotel, Ma Bella Elix, where you're cooking for us tonight. So.
That's great.
I'd like to know a little bit more about you. So how did you get into cooking?
It's a long story which I will probably make short. I was in the military and they made me as a chef in the kitchen.
Hard way to start.
Hard way to start, unexpected way to start. And spending a few months there, I guess I just learned a few things about it. And then I finished my duties and then I decided I wanted to study something. So I did that. Then at some point after my second year, I found a person who really inspired me to properly do this job. His name is Elix.
Oh.
And from him, it just all started to be visual of the creative side of it and what I really wanted to do.
So one question, John, that everyone, because John Skotidas is it's a nice name, but where exactly are you from?
I was born and raised in Panama. My father Greek from Lefkada, and my mother is half Chinese and Philippine.
How did you get into the Greek cooking? What was that inspires you about the Greek food?
I think that Greek cuisine is probably the one that inspires me the most. The freshest simplicity and tradition.
And then you mix with the other influences.
And then I throw a little bit of Asia or South America, just because I'm familiar with these flavors as well and I really like them. So I think it's a nice combination as long as you keep it well balanced, because it can go very wrong.
Yes. How do you feel being at Greek Chefs Abroad and working with us here in Ma Bella Collection and coming to this beautiful place?
I never miss a chance to come to Greece, or even better, cook in Greece. And this event, only knowing that there's a few people who represent Greek cuisine abroad, it's a very nice gesture to invite me to come cook for you. And obviously it's something that I always wanted to create dishes maybe, or some might have my dishes in Athens or in Greece. So it's a good chance every time I come to share a little bit about myself and what I've managed to do all these years being abroad.